Hey everyone, I wanted to show you my new house. So I just bought a house in 2025 and it was a brand new construction and the backyard is semi-done, guys, semi-done. Look at this. This area is not done yet because this is going to be for an ADU unit. You can see that they ran the power over there already. So I'm going to buy a unit for the backyard. That will be a cool little fun place to hang out. It's going to be pretty big too because that's a 30 by 30 feet. So here, so you guys can get a better visual, this is going to be the area for the ADU, so it doesn't have any landscaping or anything like that. But you know, when you buy a brand new home, you got to do all the landscaping yourself. So this is kind of my own design. I'm not, you know, super in on this kind of stuff, but this is what I saw fit. We're going to put a trampoline over here for my daughter in the playground tan bark. That's what they call it, playground tan bark. Disregard, like, my daughter made a mess already from her Barbie dream house, but I don't want that in the house. So we've got the grill. I put in, all this was dirt. All of this was the same dirt that is over there. But we have finally got it together. It took about a month to do. We're gonna have plants all lining the fence. We have the drip line already in there, so all I have to do is go by the plants now. So the plants are going to be starting from right there, go all around the perimeter, and then also I put a fence in, and then more plants will go over there. Probably trees, probably put like some citrus trees. Yeah, this is it. Super exciting getting this all done. Mind you, we just moved in December, at the end of December. My goal was to buy a home in 2025, and I got the keys to my home on December 18th. And that was like the same time that we moved in. And this backyard was just all muddy. And with this little guy right here, our little Frenchie, he was getting extremely dirty. So the yard was a priority. So in my previous videos, you may have saw how I got $35,000 from 𝒓𝒊𝒕. Well, I actually used that $35K and put it into my property to do the backyard. And there's another side yard over there, but it's nothing. It's just basically looks exactly like this. But you can see this is where that $35,000 went. And then I'll be able to do the yard, did the electrical, and then I'm also going to purchase the ADU unit. I'm just not sure where to get it from. I've looked at a few places, but we'll kind of see. I saw one last weekend and it was like 28 feet wide, and then I think 12 feet deep. But this area right here is 30 by 30. So I could go, I think I have to be 3 feet or 5 feet. Look at this little turd ripping up the grass. Glacier, no. And then perfect area for my daughter to bring out her swing set, because we just don't have anywhere else to put it right now. We'll probably eventually put it over here next to the trampoline, but for now this is kind of like a softer area in case she falls. But nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys the update of my backyard. It's exciting. It feels so amazing to once again become a homeowner, because we were renting for the last few years, and this is a brand new build. It was just built last year right before I bought it, and it's got a big backyard. You know, this is why I bought the property, because my family will have a lot of space back here to play around with. We'll have a whole nother, you know, essentially house right there. So when my daughter gets older, she'll always have somewhere to go. You know, we can even rent that out, make a little extra money, but for now it's just going to be extra space for us until we buy another home. Probably in the next 5 years is our goal to buy our next property. We also have solar on the house, so that's really exciting because our electric bill will go down, because we're here in California, and if you guys don't know, electricity is crazy. PG&E is like highway robbery, and at our house before, it was over $500 a month easy. Another cool thing about this property is, I don't know if you guys can see, but back here, no one will ever be behind us. No one will ever build behind us. We're the last house on this lot, and you can see how far our neighbor is from us. Like that's our neighbor right there. And then we have another neighbor right there, but you can see they're kind of far. So we're not right on top of each other like normal houses here in California are. Back here is all farming stuff. Like it's a golf course over here, and then there's all farming land over there. So my allergies are already not like, but I love it at the same time because in our last house, we had a house right behind us that looked right down into our yard, right down into our living room, and we just are not going to have that. Plus, this house is 1-story, easy peasy, everything's right there. I've always wanted a 1-story house, and it seems like I was always in 2-story houses, and it's just like, for me, I'm not trying to carry the laundry upstairs and do all that extra stuff. No. So just wanted to give you guys an update. You know, I don't really vlog too much. That's not my normal style content, but I wanted to kind of give you guys an insight of what I've been doing lately. And yeah, you know, you can make this happen for yourself. It's all about just creating that plan, sticking to it, and, you know, saving up the funds. There's programs out there that can help, like NACA. I didn't go through NACA just because they take a really long time to go through, but I did go through another program through the builder and got locked in with an APR 3.99 for the next 5 years. So take action. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube.